What a mess. But I want to film this before we get started here. I think I have the blocks I need right there, 6 inches and 4. Here come the goats. To build, I'm going to call it a kettle place. To put that kettle back there, I think. So I'll film it a little bit later. At the moment, everything's underfoot. But I thought, well, this isn't exactly a baseline because I've started the furnace, the forge, and now the kettle place already, so you can see developments. But I thought, well, I'll film it the way it is now. And now the goats. They got their vacation. Short one today because we're going to be grinding corn here. Or cracking corn. Billy, my nemesis. Still needs a fire brick and doors and grates and everything, but it's drawn. Milling day.